Hey viola players, here's your part for Chicken Run. Take a look at your key signature. You've got no sharps, no flats. That means that on your A string and your D string, your twos are going to be low. So they're going to touch each other. And you're going to have a gap between your middle finger and your ring finger. Okay? That's for these two higher strings. The other two strings are normal, like you know and love. Okay? So we're going to get to it here. Starting 2 measures in, you've got the melody. Here we go. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, and ready, play. 9. These are offbeats. Next line. Rest. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 17. 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, rest. 21. 2, 3. 4, 1. 29. 1, ready, go. 1. Now you have 2 sharps and 41. 2, rest, rest. Rest. High 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. And then you go to the DS, which is at 9, like this. And we're back to our normal key signature. No sharps, no flats. Here we go, at 9. Ready, play. 2, 3, 4. I'm going a little too fast. Rest. Rest. 17. 3, rest. 2, 3, rest. Next line. 21. 2, 3. 2, 3. 29. 'Good job. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.